হাই, ম্যাট্রিকুলা এডুকেশনের নতুন ইউটিউব চ্যানেল ম্যাট্রিকুলা বাংলায় তোমাদের সকলকে স্বাগত জানাই। আশা করি তোমরা সবাই ভালো আছো এবং তোমাদের 2024-এর উচ্চ মাধ্যমিক পরীক্ষা ভালো হয়েছে। এই ভিডিওতে আমি তোমাদের উচ্চ মাধ্যমিকের অ্যাকাউন্টেন্সি প্রশ্নপত্রের উত্তরগুলি দেখিয়ে দেবো। তোমরা উত্তরগুলি মিলিয়ে নাও। কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 1, দ্য ব্যালেন্স অফ পার্টনার্স কারেন্ট অ্যাকাউন্ট ইজ অপশান এ অলওয়েজ ক্রেডিট, অপশান বি অলওয়েজ ডেবিট, অপশান সি maybe debit or credit, option D none of these. Right answer is option C, maybe debit or credit. Number 2, interest on capital of a partnership firm is option A an expense, option B an income, option C an asset, option D none of these. Right answer is option A an expense. Number 3, which one of the following items is not entered in the profit and loss appropriation account? Option A, interest on partners' capital, option B, interest on partners' drawings, option C, rent paid to partners, option D, salary paid to partners. Right answer is option C, rent paid to partners. Number 4, if the capital of partners are maintained under fixed capital method, in which account the share of profit of partners will be credited? Option A, drawing account, option B, capital account, option C, current account, option D, none of these. Right answer is option C, current account. Number 5, at the time of retirement of a partner, undistributed profit is distributed among all partners in there. Option A, new profit sharing ratio, option B, all profit sharing ratio, option C, sacrificing ratio, option D, gaining ratio. Right answer is option B, all profit sharing ratio. Number 6, A, R and B are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 6:4:1. A guaranteed minimum profit of rupees 16,000 to B the net profit of the firm for the year ended on 31st March 2023 was rupees 1,32,000 rupees. Share of profit of the firm will be option A 72,000, option B 68,000, option C 48,000, option D 16,000. Right answer is option C 48,000. Number 7, average profit is rupees 60,000, normal rate of return is 12%. Capital employed is rupees 4,40,000. Then the value of goodwill under capitalization method will be option A rupees 1,12,800, option B rupees 7,200, option C rupees 66,000, option D rupees 60,000. Right answer is option D rupees 60,000. Number 8, A, B and C are partners sharing profits or losses into the ratio 3:2:1. A retires and his share is taken by B and C equally. What will be the new ratio? Option A 1:1, option B 7:5, option C 3:1, option D 3:5. Right answer is option B 7:5. Number 9, application money cannot be less than dash of the nominal value of shares. Option A 5%, option B 10%, option C 15%, option D 20%. Right answer is option A 5%. Number 10, the deficit resulting from the reissue of forfeited shares at the discount are required to be adjusted from the balance of option A share capital account, option B share forfeiture account, option C general reserve account, option D, capital reserve account. Right answer is option B, share forfeiture account. Number 11. Discount on issue of shares in market is option A, capital loss, option B, revenue loss, option C, total loss, option D, none of these. Right answer is option A, capital loss. Number 12. Private Limited purchased asset of rupees 7,50,000 from H Limited by issuing share of rupees 100 each at a premium of rupees 25 per share. The number of shares to be issued by Private Limited to settle the purchase consideration will be option A, 6,000 shares, option B, 7,500 shares, option C, 9,375 shares, option D, 10,000 shares. Right answer is A, 6,000 shares. Number 13. If fully paid shares of rupees 10 lakh are issued for purchase of business having not asset of rupees 12 lakh, the balance of rupees 2 lakh will be transferred to option A, goodwill account, option B, vendors account, option C, capital reserve, option D, general reserve account. Right answer is option C, capital reserve. Number 14. As per the Companies Act 2013, a company cannot issue option A, bonus shares, option B, redeemable preference share, option C, preference shares, option D, equity shares. Right answer is option B, irredeemable preference share. Number 15. Nominal value of each share is rupees 20, rupees 16 has been called up, rupees 12 paid up at the time of forfeiture. Share capital account will be debited by option A, rupees 20, option B, rupees 12, option C, rupees 4, option D, rupees 16. Right answer is option D, rupees 16. Number 16. X Limited issued 10,000 ordinary shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of 20%. All monies were received on shares. The amount of share capital is option A, rupees 1 lakh, option B, rupees 1,20,000, option C, both A and B, option D, 80,000. Right answer is option B, rupees 1,20,000. Number 17. Time gap between two calls will be option A, 60 days, option B, 30 days, option C, 90 days, option D, 120 days. Right answer is option B, 30 days. Number 18. Discount on issue of debenture account is option A, fixed asset, option B, current asset, option C, fictitious asset, option D, none of these. Right answer is option C, fictitious asset. Either attempt question number 19 to 24 or 25 to 30. Only one series of questions to be answered from above mentioned series of questions. Number 19. If cash sells rupees 50,000, credit sells rupees 4,50,000, cost of goods sold rupees 4,40,000, then gross profit ratio will be option A, 12.5%, option B, 13%, option C, 15%, option D, 12%. Right answer is option D, 12%. Number 20. Under which tool of financial analysis 100% is taken as base and all other related amounts are expressed as a percentage of base? Option A, common size statement, option B, comparative statement, option C, ratio analysis, option D, cash flow statement. Right answer is option A, common size statement. Number 21. Quick asset, option A, current asset minus prepaid expenses, Option B, current asset plus inventory minus prepaid expenses. Option C, current assets minus inventory plus prepaid expenses. Option D, current assets minus inventory minus prepaid expenses. Right answer is option D, current assets minus inventory minus prepaid expenses. Number 22. Interest paid on debenture is option A, charge against profit. Option B, appropriation of profit. Option C, liability. Option D, asset. Right answer is option A, charge against profit. Number 23. Which of the following is not the tools of financial statements analysis? Option A, comparative income statement. Option B, bank statement. Option C, common size balance sheet. Option D, common size income statement. Right answer is option B, bank statement. Number 25. Which of the following is not included in operating activities while preparing cash flow statement? Option A, increase in current liabilities. Option B, increase in current assets. Option C, sale of fixed assets. Option D, payment of tax. Right answer is option C, sale of fixed assets. আশা করি এই ভিডিওটির মাধ্যমে তোমরা তোমাদের প্রশ্নের উত্তরগুলি মিলিয়ে নিতে পেরেছো। এরকমই উচ্চ মাধ্যমিকের অন্যান্য বিষয়ের উত্তরগুলি পেতে আমাদের চ্যানেলে অবশ্যই চোখ রাখো।